Oh, Powerline Power Wash Industries, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna take 2-3 minutes, go over, long day, 2 to 3 minutes and go over our starter package or our 18 horsepower Vanguard power unit. Just kind of got to go over some of the features. This isn't really an operational video. Chester shot a good one for safety and operation. Safety, I got to talk about it. Wear your gloves, eye protection, good boots. These are okay boots. And so always keep that in consideration. Read all the manuals, follow all the safety manuals we've got. We've got good manuals on it. Okay? Gonna go over the trailer because that's the foundation of any machine. Take a look at the trailers you see on the other websites and the reviews. We like to point that out. If you want a trailer, if you're actually gonna go out and do work out on site, you want a good trailer. And so this is diamond plate steel deck. It's also, now it's epoxy coated. So it just doesn't get any better than that. If you want the upgrade, we can upgrade the trailers. Just let us know. We do a lot of custom work too. I keep my voice going here. So the hitch here, we can put a different hitch on if you want a pintle hitch or adjustable. This is a 2-inch ball. You can see it's got the middle support. It's all diamond plate steel deck again. Just not a trailer like it. 1-inch tubing holding the tank in. I mean, come on, that stuff I see. Sure, you can get something cheap, but is that how you want to look? Is that really what you want going around, whether it's your campus or if you're out working? You want to look like a professional, right? The money that's being made with this type of equipment just justifies having a great piece of equipment. If you're going to open up a shop, do you want to have Snap-on tools or do you want to have Walmart tools? Just kind of asking. This is industrial grade. We don't cut corners. You got premium general pump. The TS 1021 series. Got that right. Best pump on the planet. Thanks, General. Vanguard motor, we love them. They're made by Toyota. Look them up. Briggs & Strat dealers are everywhere. We belt drive, double filter. It's got all of our great engineering components. Control rod on the front so you can go into steam. Temperature gauge, hour meter. Temperature gauge tells you what you're running. You can preset it. Whatever temp. 8 nozzles. This pack, of course, comes with, depends on the accessories you want. This comes with full operational books, manuals, toolbox. Again, depending on what accessories you order with it. Comes accessorized out. Dual filter, bypass system, relief valve, soap injection. You've got your big fuel tanks. It's got that helical burner system. Man, does it burn clean and efficient. Real nice burn chamber. Antifreeze tank, soap tank, gun holder, ladder rack. You can put your sign right here if you're in the business. Also, this is a nice size to tow around your campus. You're only a total of 6 feet wide. Got a lot of places, a lot of buildings. You can just tow it around. And if you need to hook it to a car or one of your mules, or a little Ranger truck, you can tow this empty. But if you're towing it full, make sure you got a decent truck. All right, fast range. We put 100 feet of non-marking hose, Eagle Wash, premium hose. Love the guys. Hose track, hose reels, US made. All this US made. The other thing, ask where the other machines are being made. We're building them here with American labor. Most all the machines on the market, especially the low-end stuff, there's a reason they're cheap. You know, if they're not using US labor, you're employing other countries to support us. Basic economics 101. American quality is better. I'll fight that all day long, at least in our equipment area. The get back here, super swivel, 5,000 PSI swivels. Got great access off the back. Large battery box, quick oil changes on the front. I kind of see those coming down. Just built really good machine, good price point. Next level up's the tandem axle, 23 horsepower. We sell a lot of those. This size we can also put on a any size trailer you want. If you want a bigger trailer, 500-gallon tank or anything like that, call us anytime. Thanks for all the business over the years. If you're coming in for training, we've got the best training there is, best safety program there is. If you need safety stuff to have on site, just give us a call. Love to earn your business. Thanks a million. Show the operation of our 18 horsepower with my man Mario here. We're ready to go after it. We're gonna cut up some boards and some cardboard, show you the power here. I'm gonna show over operation real quick. Make sure your water's on. Make sure you follow safety glasses, gloves, good shoes, good clothes, good working clothes. You get a lot of spray back from this type of equipment, so obviously you want to protect your eyes. They're hard to replace. All right, so make sure you got water. You need to de-antifreeze and re-antifreeze. I know Chester's got a pretty good video out. He's a good guy. He's our parts guy on the operation. I'm just going through a mental check. Make sure your water's on. We're gonna hook the gun up to the hose. Release the pin, pull out the hose. Get plenty of hose out for what you're gonna need on the job site. We're going to grab the nozzles. You get a big nozzle selection. We're going to go 0 degree and kind of show you the power of this unit. Make sure your fuel's on. We're on. Make sure you transport, take that fuel, turn that valve off. People are testing me, see if I know what we sell here. Oil change, I like to see if it's dripping. I can't help it. It's just what I do when these things go out. Make sure everything's tight, right. Engine oil, check your engine oil, check all your fluids. All right, looks good. I know we've been running a little bit, we've tested it. You got your temp gauge, thermostat, always start it with this off. In the off position, that's off, back towards you. Don't start it with the burner on because it's drawing power. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this up. Here's your pressure relief. This is your unloader valve. If you crank that this way, I gotta look at that, make sure I'm right. That increases. Crank it the other way. Decreases. You lower the pressure if you want to go into steam. I don't recommend super hot temps unless you're experienced, because it can burn. So watch yourself there. All right, so he's ready to go. We're gonna start with the nozzle pulled. And got a choke. Choke's on the other side over here. Key on. That'll turn on the heat. Shows you the power, respect it. Don't be afraid of it. Just, you know, there's a million of these out there. Just really be careful when you're running these. Don't aim it at yourself or anybody else. That's the 0 degree nozzle, shows the power. Now when we go to shut it down, a couple of beats. I'm going to shut the burner off and let him cool it down. A little bit of time. We were already 160 degrees. I'm going to cool it down for a minute before you shut the unit off. See here where it's running. That's 3,500 PSI. The other guys say they run at that. Let's shut her down. The other guys say they run at that. Why don't you have them prove it? Real junk out there I get a kick out of. This is a solid machine. Just insurance a few more bucks, but if it lasts 10 years longer, then what's your investment? I mean, that's return on your investment. Thanks for letting us show you this. Take care. Any questions, call any of us. We're happy to help. See ya.